Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how this online class works. So first, if you signed up for class.ef.com, if you are already in this page, so we are going to click on the right top here, and we go down and select the desktop site. So once you select this one, it is because you could be able to see the full screen. If you are using a mobile phone, so this is gonna work for you. So once you are here, we just click on this. So if you click here, then we are going to here to review lessons. So you click on that, and then first the page will open here. So we have 10 warm-ups, and yeah, this is the first page which I have done all of them. So you see here everything is not visible, so you click just on this one. In every page, if you couldn't see the full screen, so just click on this. Now we can see all of them here. So I've done this page, so I'm gonna sweep to next page. Next page, here are some questions which you have to answer, and then I haven't done it yet, so I'm going to next page. Here are some questions that you have to choose the answer. Again, this page is not visible for me, so I'm gonna click on this. On every page, if you have problem like this, just click on this one. So here also I couldn't see this one properly, so I'm gonna click on this one. Now I can see all of them. So if you wanna go out again, just click on this. Now you're going to see the questions. I have done it and I submit it. Now I'm going to the fourth page. So here also some questions. Again, I'm gonna click on this and on this to see all of them. Yeah, it is so easy. So I've done this, and if you choose the answer and you submit it, you cannot like do it again or change something, because you already submitted. Before you submit, you have to make sure and review again that all the answers that you choose are correct. So now I'm going to next page. So here I am on page 6. So yeah, here are some think about your best friend. Use 5 words for them, and key language describe him or her to your partner. So I haven't done it yet, so yeah, page 7. Here are some positive and negative adjectives which use for personality. You have to choose some positive and negative. So I have done this one. I'm going to next page. Next page. Yeah, page 7. Page. You have to just go through them and like this. Every page you have done, you submit and go to next page. So I have done all of them here, and I'm going to next page. Yeah. Again, I have done this page, submit it, and so till here we just got 10 pages, which all the new lessons will add by teacher every day. Just we come. So I am on page 10 and I have done it. So now I am going to close the activity. Once I close that, I'm going on the page first. Thank you.